Hello everyone, welcome to ATL Marathon 2023 to 2024. We are the Game Guardians.
I'm BHUVI Vaishnavi HA.
And I'm THRISHA from grade 7 in Excel Public School, Mysore. We are here to represent a board game which can make your boredom fade away.
In today's society, financial literacy is a crucial skill that directly impacts an individual's future well-being.
We have devised a fun, gamified way for the students to build their problem solving and negotiation skills as well as implement financial literacy. The name of our board game is A Costly Mistake, where every move leads you to a victory or to a financial dilemma.
The objective of the game is to be the person with maximum assets at the end of 1 year in board time.
The game includes a board, 6 game pieces, a spinner wheel, a 6-sided dice, money bills, and 5 different deck of cards. The game starts with all 5 decks of cards shuffled and placed face down.
Players first pick their character from the character deck, which contains the background details like salaries and monthly fixed expenses, among the other things.
Once you pick your characters, roll the die and start the game.
The board starts from January and goes till December, so you will be experiencing the life of an income earner throughout a year. You land or pass over the income credited block, you may receive your salary amount as per your character card from the bank.
When you land on the stop pay your expenses block, you will have to pick a variable expense card to pay the bank. If you land on an action block, then you will have to pick an action card and follow the instructions. The same goes for the investment cards.
When a player runs out of money, they have the option to take a loan from the bank at a given interest rate, or they could negotiate with other players for a loan at a lower interest rate. This will help in developing negotiation skills.
SAHAJA came up with the content for the cards and made the spinner wheel.
We designed the character cards and made the game rules.
THRISHA did the research document and designed the game board.
All in all, our board game is here to help children understand the world of financial literacy and put themselves in the shoes of their parents.
When they play this board game, they not only realize that the efforts that their parents have put in to help them, but they also realize that their future is just as hard.
But there's always a way to get through their difficulties.